Yvonne is a bright light. She's the first face that people see when they come into the Choice Partners area.
One of my biggest things that I'm responsible for is coordinating all the conferences, and I play a big part in coordinating some of the events, getting things that we need, and so I'm very particular about it.
It's like your mom. She's always on you if you forget something, or I need that information because I got to get this going and I need it done, and you need to have it to me so I can have it back to you.
I love challenges. I feel like I am the glue in many cases to help the division run and to cohesively come together to make decisions.
We're very much a marketing and sales organization, so she does a lot of the admin, the backup, the work that you don't see out there, but it helps make our job easier. She's a very integral part in what we do here in Choice Partners.
Whatever. Other duties as assigned. Okay guys, let's talk about the upcoming event. My favorite part is just pretty much every day interacting with my team members. And we're such a small group, so we can kind of consider ourselves as a family. It takes every individual within our division to make it all come together. And I myself have my husband, 2 boys, and I have a granddaughter. She is my heart's joy. What we all do is get together, we buy taller trees, we gather clothes, and you know, some of us have so many clothes, we have clothes with tags on them. And we finally decided that, you know, always trying to pull names or spend all this money to get gifts from one another, let's give it to someone in need. So we started going to the Star of Hope downtown. That was always a good time. And you know, after we finished, we all went to eat. Working here at Harris County Department of Education has been an evolving experience. I like to do acronyms. I said HCDE. H is for hope, because all the different programs, the people in the organization, they provide hope and a new outlook on the future for a lot of the kids, like adult education. And then I would say C, community. They give back to the community. And all these different divisions and parts and schools and offerings go into the community, and that's important. And D is dedication. We have so many dedicated people, so many selfless people that want to see HCDE evolve and to help our children. And E, of course, education. Education is important. You have to have an education to go forward.